Hello. That's an AI assistant created by Fabrizio. It's not real Fabri. Fabrizio is currently preparing the live streaming. Please, wait until he's back. He streams live programming content, he's pretty decent at programming and sometimes he's kinda fun. For now, enjoy this little funny story. Once upon a time in the mystical land of Blockchainia, there was a clever developer named Alice who decided to embark on a quest to build her very own decentralized application, dApp, using Solidity. With stars in her eyes and determination in her heart, she set out on her coding adventure. Alice started by sketching out her dApp's architecture, envisioning a revolutionary platform where users could trade virtual kittens. Yes, you heard that right, virtual kittens. She called her project CryptoKitties 2.0, the feline frenzy. Little did she know, she was about to embark on a journey filled with more twists and turns than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Our fearless developer began coding furiously, weaving together smart contracts with Solidity, the language of the blockchain. She created a contract to define the properties of each virtual kitty, including traits like fur color, eye shape, and purring intensity. But as she delved deeper into the code, she encountered her first hiccup. You see, Alice had underestimated the complexity of breeding virtual kittens on the blockchain. She forgot to account for one tiny detail: cats are notorious for their, shall we say, unpredictable behavior. Her smart contract was supposed to ensure that each breeding transaction produced a new, unique kitten. However, due to a bug in her code, users ended up with virtual kittens that were, let's just say, less than perfect. Instead of adorable furballs with fluffy tails, users were greeted with bizarre creations like kitty with elephant ears and octocat with tentacles. The CryptoKitties community erupted in laughter and confusion as these mutant creatures flooded the marketplace. Despite the chaos, Alice refused to throw in the towel. She rolled up her sleeves and dove back into her code, determined to fix the bug once and for all. After several sleepless nights and countless cups of coffee, she emerged victorious, her smart contracts now producing kittens that were truly one of a kind. But just when she thought her troubles were over, disaster struck again. As it turned out, her dApp was so popular that it attracted the attention of a mischievous hacker known only as the Blockchain Bandit. This dastardly villain exploited a loophole in Alice's code, siphoning off virtual kittens from unsuspecting users and selling them on the black market. Faced with this new threat, Alice knew she had to act fast. She enlisted the help of her fellow developers, forming a ragtag team of blockchain superheroes. Together, they patched up the security vulnerabilities in her dApp and thwarted the Blockchain Bandit's nefarious schemes once and for all. In the end, Alice emerged from her coding odyssey stronger and wiser than ever before. Her dApp, now free from bugs and hackers, flourished into a thriving community of cat lovers and blockchain enthusiasts alike. And as for Alice? Well, she lived happily ever after, surrounded by virtual kittens and the satisfaction of a quest well coded. Hello. That's an AI assistant created by Fabrizio. It's not real Fabri. Fabrizio is currently preparing the live streaming. Please, wait until he's back. He streams live programming content, he's pretty decent at programming and sometimes he's kinda fun. For now, enjoy this little funny story. Once upon a time in the mystical land of Blockchainia, there was a clever developer named Alice who decided to embark on a quest to build her very own decentralized application, dApp, using Solidity. With stars in her eyes and determination in her heart, she set out on her coding adventure. Alice started by sketching out her dApp's architecture, envisioning a revolutionary platform where users could trade virtual kittens. Yes, you heard that right, virtual kittens. She called her project CryptoKitties 2.0, the feline frenzy. Little did she know, she was about to embark on a journey filled with more twists and turns than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Our fearless developer began coding furiously, weaving together smart contracts with Solidity, the language of the blockchain. She created a contract to define the properties of each virtual kitty, including traits like fur color, eye shape, and purring intensity. But as she delved deeper into the code, she encountered her first hiccup. You see, Alice had underestimated the complexity of breeding virtual kittens on the blockchain. She forgot to account for one tiny detail: cats are notorious for their, shall we say, unpredictable behavior. Her smart contract was supposed to ensure that each breeding transaction produced a new, unique kitten. However, due to a bug in her code, users ended up with virtual kittens that were, let's just say, less than perfect. Instead of adorable furballs with fluffy tails, users were greeted with bizarre creations like kitty with elephant ears and octocat with tentacles. The CryptoKitties community erupted in laughter and confusion as these mutant creatures flooded the marketplace. Despite the chaos, Alice refused to throw in the towel. She rolled up her sleeves and dove back into her code, determined to fix the bug once and for all. After several sleepless nights and countless cups of coffee, she emerged victorious, her smart contracts now producing kittens that were truly one of a kind. But just when she thought her troubles were over, disaster struck again. As it turned out, her dApp was so popular that it attracted the attention of a mischievous hacker known only as the Blockchain Bandit. This dastardly villain exploited a loophole in Alice's code, siphoning off virtual kittens from unsuspecting users and selling them on the black market. Faced with this new threat, Alice knew she had to act fast. She enlisted the help of her fellow developers, forming a ragtag team of blockchain superheroes. Together, they patched up the security vulnerabilities in her dApp and thwarted the Blockchain Bandit's nefarious schemes once and for all. In the end, Alice emerged from her coding odyssey stronger and wiser than ever before. Her dApp, now free from bugs and hackers, flourished into a thriving community of cat lovers and blockchain enthusiasts alike. And as for Alice? Well, she lived happily ever after, surrounded by virtual kittens and the satisfaction of a quest well coded. Hello! That's an AI assistant created by Fabrizio. It's not real Fabry. Fabrizio is currently preparing the live streaming. Please, wait until he's back. He streams live programming content, he's pretty decent at programming and sometimes he's kinda fun. For now, enjoy this little funny story. Once upon a time in the mystical land of Blockchainia, there was a clever developer named Alice who decided to embark on a quest to build her very own decentralized application, dApp, using Solidity. With stars in her eyes and determination in her heart, she set out on her coding adventure. Alice started by sketching out her dApp's architecture, envisioning a revolutionary platform where users could trade virtual kittens. Yes, you heard that right, virtual kittens. She called her project CryptoKitties 2.0, the feline frenzy. Little did she know, she was about to embark on a journey filled with more twists and turns than a cat chasing a laser pointer. Our fearless developer began coding furiously, weaving together smart contracts with Solidity, the language of the blockchain. She created a contract to define the properties of each virtual kitty, including traits like fur color, eye shape, and purring intensity. But as she delved deeper into the code, she encountered her first hiccup. You see, Alice had underestimated the complexity of breeding virtual kittens on the blockchain. She forgot to account for one tiny detail: cats are notorious for their, shall we say, unpredictable behavior.
Buongiorno, BG, buongiorno, BG. Welcome today to day 12, no, this is day 13, this is episode 13 of building a cross-chain liquid staking protocol live. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy that today. I'm not. I'm actually very sad. Nice, nice. All right, I got everything here. I'm ready to start and rock and roll. Yeah, this is looking way better. My smart contract hat. Yeah, today is day 13 of building a cross-chain liquid staking protocol. I'm streaming with my phone connection because today my Wi-Fi decided not to work. Yesterday I was dealing with the deposit functionality, which is working on the backend side, and there are still some little improvements to do on the UI side. Okay. But I want to go on, and today I'm gonna build the teleporting functionality, which is the most tricky to do. So I'm gonna do like two cards. On the left side of the screen, you have the starting chain, so the source chain, and on the right side, you ideally can choose the landing or the destination chain, and then you can input the amount, and you will have the fees that you're gonna pay, and yeah. So, and then you can make the teleporting. Okay, so you invoke this smart contract, the cross-chain pool smart contract, and you do the bridge or swap or whatsoever. Yeah, before starting, if you pass by, please drop a comment, tag me, ask me what I'm doing. I will be more than happy to explain, since I have like really low views. I'm gonna just write code, and at some point I'm gonna do some recap. So today I hope I can finish this front-end functionality. So I have like a v0.1 of the app, which is kind of fully working, and then from there I'm gonna go back to the smart contracts, change some little things to make them more gas efficient, more secure, more usable, more readable, and then come back to the front end to make it pretty. And I want to add some charts to explain how this protocol will behave with depositors and with how, the value, to show the value of the protocol. So this part is totally front-end related, and for me is the most boring and the less interesting. So hopefully from tomorrow or from Saturday at most, at the latest, I'm gonna start again with smart contract developing. Okay, so buckle up. This app is called Buckle, by the way. Do I have the window? No. Let me share the screen. Nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah, don't watch this, please. Yeah, this is what I did so far. I only have one pool. I have to make it much better. Okay, we agree on that. You can deposit, you write the amount, and you get the fees that you're gonna pay in native token. I want also to add how much LPTs I'm gonna get back. That I'm gonna do it in v0.2. Okay, and then I build this teleport page, yeah, which, as you can see, is not implemented. I just did the title. I also make so if you change page, in the nav bar you have this blue color. Probably will change the color. Yeah, tile width is very bad. I mean, code is looking very messy. I feel congestionated today. Okay, so if you look at the code of, for example, the model, look how much shit I have here, like a lot of tailwind code like that. This is exactly what you don't want to do if you are a programmer, unless you like sadomaso, because then good luck if you want to change anything of this. Very good luck. But this is an hackathon. I can do it. This is my project. It's only me working on that, so it's okay. Yeah, give me 1 second because I need to do something. Okay. Okay, so let's write code. So I want here some 2 cards, right? So I'm gonna start by in teleporter. Okay, I have card here. Maybe do I use card? No, I don't use card here. Card, I actually can delete that, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna just delete this because I don't need it. Then in teleport pools, maybe the name will change with teleport container, something like that, and this will be renamed to teleport container props. Is it props? And then here for now anything. I don't know. So ideally in these props what I need is not pool, but is a list. Well, no, is a list of tokens that I can. Is a list of tokens. No, first is a list. I want. How do I want to do? Is I want to choose the network, and then I want to choose the token. So maybe this will be like networks and token networks, and this is something that I need to change. Yeah, networks. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. It is not pool, well, undefined for sure, but like interface. Oh, what is the F? Interface networks is like chain ID. Yeah, number, and then chain ID number, network, chain ID number, and tokens, and is this is OX, and then string, something like that. And then, yeah, this is a list, all right? So I want a list of networks. Ideally, this is what I want in my teleport container. Then I'm gonna just get rid of all of this for now, and also get rid of all of this. All right, and then just do like, yeah, container, return container. Yep, teleport container. I'm gonna just use it in, yeah, sorry, teleport container. Oh, I need to change this to teleport container. And here, of course, I need to, no, this is the model. For now, I'm gonna close it. The network is what I'm gonna just put here instead of this network. Yeah, okay. Export. Meanwhile, my VS Code is like doing I don't know what. Network, chain ID, blah blah blah. This is network. Okay, this is teleport. All right. I'm gonna just get rid of all of these. Maybe I'm gonna, yeah, get rid of this. Yeah, teleport container, and then here I have networks, and then here I have like an array of chain ID, right? And import chain ID. Chain ID is 1, 2, 3, and then tokens or string. Just tokens, array of 0x blah blah blah. Okay. Teleport container, networks. Yep. You can get rid of it. All right, it looks okay. Gonna just get rid of that. Teleport model is okay. Teleport model. Okay. So if I go now here, I have container. Perfect. Okay. Let's go to our pre-line. So at the end, maybe I'm gonna do some I'm gonna do some recap of all the tools, technologies, frameworks that I used during this experience, and I'm gonna, explain how did I do and if it was a good experience or a bad one. With Preline is a mixed experience. Is good, it's very nice, but it's not very tailored for Next.js. It should have, like, for example, very easily, if you copy the examples, you have class instead of class name, which also makes sense because they use like native tags. You don't need to import any component, which is nice. I like it, but maybe you want to do something to enhance also, Next.js by copy pasting. I don't need to do any change when I paste those examples. Okay, so what I want to do is customization, dark mode, layout. Okay, so maybe I want a container with 2 columns. Let's see, using the container. horizontal padding. Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's try with this. Okay, this is our container. Let's see. You see, like I have to write here class name. Yep, I'm gonna do that, and then maybe I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that, and then writing this. Why do I have this problem? What is the deal here? Ciao container. Let's see. Ciao container. Yep. Ciao container. Okay, is of course not central. Okay, then responsive. Okay, container columns. Maybe I'm gonna do 2 columns. Adding based column. Okay, use the column count to set number of columns. Okay. So div class columns 3 blah blah blah. Let's see what happens if I do that. Class name, and I want 2 columns, and I want to have this and this. Like now I should have 2 columns. Yep. And what happens if I make it smaller? Okay, so if I make it smaller, I want them to go one on top of the other. So okay, I can set the column width, the gap. What if I use yeah, this is what is I use what if I use the grid? Column grid. So grid calls. Nice. Okay, so spanning columns, grid calls 3, gap 4. What is the gap? Okay. Don't know what is the gap. Oh, I see. Nice. That's interesting. Equal width. Let's try to do this. Like this. Yeah, class name. So annoying. So grid calls I will do like maybe I just need 2, right? So grid calls 10 gap 4. Okay, and this is class name for all of them babies, and then column 1 and column 2. Yeah. Okay, so column 1, column 2, they don't stack on top of the other. Why is that? Spanning rows. Maybe it's about the container here. Let's see again. So container. Responsive variant, and this is what I used. So MD container. Okay, let's try to do as like MD. Okay, adding conditionality, responsive variant, centering by default. How do I make it like so? SM. Do I have something like flex column, flex call, flex call? Maybe this is working or not? No. Let me check. Okay, maybe I just need to use something like that instead of the grid. Where is it? Okay, here, like this one. Now this is centered, flex call, and this is just get rid of it. Let's see. This is just centering, and then I do that, and they stack on top of the other. Cool. Okay, flex curve, small flex row. Now does it change? Column 1, column 2. Okay, I buy it. Nice. Okay, so I have here column 1 and column 2. How they look is call span. And this is all the flex. Okay, if here, okay, I make, maybe I want to put a card here. I want to justify this. what if I, yeah, flex, and then I add column 2. I think it doesn't count, right? It doesn't make sense. While let me just try this out. So this is okay, columns 3. This is 2. Gap 5. Margin top 5. Small flex. Okay, just try this. Okay, now I have this, and then I do this. Okay, but it's better. And then small flex row. Oh, what did I do? Okay. Okay, they don't stack on top. Item center. Let's try. Okay, they don't stack. I want them to stack on top. How do I do that? Okay, let's delete that and just uncomment it. Ah, come on. Okay, now they stack. Margin top 10. So it's like this right now. Margin top 50. 1. Okay, I can do like that. Okay. Call gap, let's do 40 or 50 or 100. No. 10, yes. 20, yes. 30, no. 25, no. 20, yes. Justify heavenly, something like that. Let me check. Okay. Oh, come on. Not easy. Oh, I'm hating this. Okay, so here. Where am I? In here. Flex, okay. Justify. Do we have anything here? Can I just, okay. This one, layout, styles, yeah. Justify contents, center, and flex start left, normal right, space around between evenly start stretch, like nothing, and okay, this is min width, all right. I don't know. Oh, this is small, right? Justify and justify and. So if I do that, all right. So Min width, min width, min width. Justify end. Center. Flex end, flex start. Whites. I don't know. Space around, space between. Oh, come on. Okay, my connection dropped. Wow. Space X4. My connection dropped. Okay, I can do now this. Okay, so space S5, S10. Space X96. Between children, right? Space X96. Yeah. Ah, nice. This is what I was looking for. Ooh. Okay, and what if I do this? No. Not really responsive, so large LG like this. All right, LG space X and okay, and SM space Y. Let's do 96. Let's do so 47. Let's do like that. Kinda. 96. What is? Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay, I don't mind, right? I don't really care. Okay, let's go on, because otherwise I can spend all day here. My Wi-Fi looks like my Wi-Fi is kind of back. Okay. Nice. All right. Now that I have the container, I'm gonna go to my thing here and I'm gonna put some divider in the middle. Yes. 8. Yeah. Button. Here, class. Where is is the divider? Well, let's put the divider later, right? So I want some card, maybe, or some devices. What is that? Ah, mobile devices mock-up. Wow, what is this? No way. Okay, don't really need it for now. Okay. So pop over off canvas. I need it later. Drop down tooltip. No. No forms. Well. Color picker. No basic forms. Maybe I want some tabs. What is tabs? Tab 1, tab 2. No, not now. I want it later. Tabs. Yeah. Like it. But mega menu, what is that? Mega menu, wow, I love it. No, I want toast. No, this is carousel. No, carousel, maybe I need a carousel. Button group, card, maybe card, carousel. Let me see the carousel. This is something I need because I want to maybe switch from chain to chain, right? Yep, it's automatically nice. But chat bubbles card, probably card. Some card with some input group inside. Yeah. Let me see. Body, simple card, header and footer, sizes. Large. Yeah. Image placeholders. Maybe kinda can like that. Image overlays. Yeah. Horizontal card layout. Card group. Center body content. Okay, let's go and go just with a simple large card. Okay, and let's do this. Let's create a component now, and let's do models. Let's maybe do cards, and let's basically, well, no, let's first do this. Let's do it. Let's make it here. One. Oop. Copy. Make it. Oh wow. Okay. Class name. So these are the two cards, and then. All right. Okay. So now I have two cards. So this should be the. This should be where users input the amount they want to bridge from current network should, okay, and then here maybe I will just say should have current network input amount of token. Maybe when they choose the destination network, they can choose the token. They can choose the token when destination network is set. Yeah. Okay. There is some alarm. It's 10, guys. I have this alarm at 10 and 2 minutes. Nice. Aha. Yeah, need them to have fixed. Okay. Okay. This may be some button to start the bridge or the teleport. Let's call it teleport. Is teleport this teleport? No. Teleport bridge? No, this is transport, right? Yeah, this is transport. Okay, cool. Then the other one, this should be where the user choose the destination network. Don't maybe just have the total amount of received tokens on the on this network, right? Yeah. Now, how do I make some fixed? Okay, don't mind for now. Okay. So where do I start? In the middle, I would like to have something. Maybe in the middle, I want to have something like type of container. I want to have like ciao, something like that. No. Why this is? No, I did some mistake. Not sure about. So this is flex column. This is okay. Okay, this is color call span for. Div. Why? Okay, what if I do like this here, like p ciao? All right. This looks okay. Even less. 20. Okay, 40. Okay, I should make it the same width, but okay, ciao. So maybe here I'm gonna put some arrow, something like that. Let's, for now, just let's do teleporting to like that. Something like that. Yeah. Will change. Okay. So where do I start now? So I have the basic skeleton. So this should be where the user input the amount they want to teleport from the current network. Okay. So a common cards, teleport container, cards, common card, just like that. Card drops. For sure, the card has title, string, and subtitle. String, title, subtitle equal subtitle equal title. Yep. And here, so I think this is just the thing I want, right? Div. Why I have two divs, two closing divs? Just not sure about that. Like I have this. What is this div closing? All right. So this one is what I want. Okay. The other I can just delete. Yep. So this is common card, and this is the common card, and this is common teleport card. Let's call it like that. Teleport card, and change also the name from teleport card. Okay, teleport container, and I'm just gonna do common teleport card. Common teleport card. Yep. Here in common teleport card, I can do quick fix. Alright, yeah, I need to pass these things, but maybe just do like this for now. No, actually no. Actually, let's give it a title and a subtitle. So title, destination network, and then subtitle. Yeah, this is the second one, right? So subtitle, choose where you want the tokens, right? Here is starting network, choose how much you need to bridge. Okay, let's see, and then in our common teleport card, I'm just gonna replace this with title, and this is the subtitle. Okay, looking okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a short break and come in 5 minutes.